Every year, millions of people suffer a heart attack. But what actually happens inside the body during those critical moments? Let's take a journey inside the human heart. Your heart is a powerful muscle that beats over 100,000 times every day. To keep working, it needs a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. These special blood vessels, called coronary arteries, deliver oxygen and nutrients to every part of the heart muscle. Over many years, fatty deposits called plaque can slowly build up inside the coronary arteries, making them narrower and reducing blood flow. If the plaque suddenly ruptures, your body forms a blood clot to repair it. But sometimes, that clot completely blocks the artery. Once the artery is blocked, oxygen-rich blood can no longer reach part of the heart muscle. Within minutes, those heart cells begin to suffer. Without oxygen, the affected heart muscle begins to die. The longer blood flow is blocked, the greater the damage becomes.
This damage triggers warning signs such as crushing chest pain, pressure, or a tight squeezing feeling in the chest.
Before we continue, if you're enjoying these fascinating journeys inside the human body, take a moment to subscribe to BioMindAI. Now, let's discover what happens next.
Many people also experience pain spreading to the left arm, shoulder, neck, jaw, or back, because the heart and these areas share nerve pathways. You may also sweat heavily, feel short of breath, become nauseous, or feel extremely weak, as your body struggles to cope with the reduced blood flow. A heart attack is a medical emergency. Getting treatment as quickly as possible can save heart muscle and greatly improve the chances of recovery. When doctors confirm a heart attack, their first goal is to restore blood flow to the blocked artery as quickly as possible. As the blockage is removed, oxygen-rich blood begins flowing back into the heart muscle, helping save the cells that are still alive. Although some damaged heart cells cannot be replaced, the healthy parts of the heart work hard to support recovery over time. You can reduce your risk of a heart attack by exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, avoiding smoking, and managing conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes. Recognizing the warning signs early and getting emergency medical help immediately can save your heart and your life.
Your heart works tirelessly every second of your life. Understanding how it works is vital. It could one day save a life. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to BioMindAI for more journeys inside the human body.